Can I see your arms moving up and down, up and down? And now we are going to need your arms to make some movement. And the song said so. Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling in the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a tuna fish, flashing through the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking in the water. A great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp,